we just got back from Costco and I'm going to go ahead and share this haul for you. The grand total, I believe, was $140. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. Most things are keto, some things are not because, you know, kids. So anyways, first thing I have right here is a pack of chicken thighs. Just save yourself the trouble, guys. Costco has the best chicken like products. Chicken drumsticks, chicken thighs, chicken breasts. They're just the best. So I always get these ones. These are my favorites. They have the most meat. They don't have a lot of like nerve or anything like that. And the price is bomb. We went ahead and got ourselves a boneless pork loin. Cut them up. We're going to probably do some steak or like pork chops. And then we'll cut some up into taco meat. And then probably save like a little chunk for like pulled pork or something along those lines. I went ahead and picked up some sharp cheddar cheese. This has less than 1 carb. If you're going to have any type of shredded cheese, you're better off just going ahead and getting something like this and shredding it yourself. You can cut it you can thinly cut it for sandwiches. Yeah, so this is always the better of the option, and it's cheaper too than you would get like at the grocery store. Eggs, because, you know, everybody eats eggs. We need it for everything, and, you know, no carbs. Rhea wanted this, and I don't know, I didn't check out the carb count. Alright, so it's less than 1 gram for 3 slices. So she likes to have this for, you know, her sandwiches for school, but I can eat it too, and it's really good, and it was a really good price. We got ourselves a boneless lamb leg. It was actually on coupon, so it was, I think, $5 off of this. So we're going to go ahead and make this weekend. I got some salami. Again, it's 0 carbs, it's higher in fat, so it really helps you get your fats in if you're struggling. Great for on-the-go snacking, and the kids like it for their lunch. I got this for the girls. This was on coupon. It's a teriyaki stir-fry udon. I don't know if that's what it's called, but there's like 4 little like meals in here, and they can have it like after school or for dinner or whatever. So I got that for them. I did get a thing of bananas. I don't eat them, but my kids do, so they're really cheap at Costco. Here is a new find for us. It is the queso cheese dip, and it's 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons. I don't know, where's the macro count? Yeah, 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons. Less than 1 gram of carb or fiber, so I won't even count that. But yeah, so 3 protein, 7 grams of fat. I thought this would be really good with like some pork rinds, or maybe on top of some meat, or, you know, with your eggs, whatever. You can't go wrong. So I picked this up. I'll let you guys know how it goes, but it looks really good. And I was also hungry when I was grocery shopping. I got this 4-pack of the Alfredo sauce. I believe for 1/4 of a cup. It's, this is heavy with one hand. For 1/4 of a cup, it's 2 carbs. So my thought was to go ahead and make some of those chicken thighs and take a 1/4 of a cup and pour the sauce over the chicken with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And I also got this. This is 0 carbs. So easy meal, quick on the go. I could actually just throw those chicken thighs in the slow cooker, roast them that way, and then heat this sauce up and then top it, and then bam, you're done when you get home. So there you go. That was another one of my finds. So we got the Alfredo sauce and the Parmesan cheese. The protein, Premier Protein, was on coupon. This is my favorite. It tastes the best. I mean, I've tried other kinds. I love this one the most, especially when it's nice and cold. The caramel one is awesome. That's like my #1, but for a follow-up, this vanilla one is my favorite. The carbs are, so it's 3 net carbs for 1 carton. I've done it where I baked with this and made a like a protein flan. I've done just, you know, plain old shakes with these, and it's good. It's super filling. I mean, I cannot speak more highly than this. You can use this for your coffee. Like, the possibilities are endless. So we got that. We went ahead and got some half and half. I believe this one is 1 carb per serving. Yep, 1 carb per serving. The Horizon half and half. Mozzarella sticks, obviously not keto. I mean, you could take the breading off and just eat the cheese. I've done it. But yeah, it's just one of those easy things, and it was on coupon. Or no, that was not on coupon. This was on coupon. This is for Rhea and the girls for breakfast. They love the Special K red berries, and, you know, it's pretty good for them, you know. So it's better than all the sugary cereals. So I picked this up, and we already have almond milk in the house, so we got that. And we got 2 cases of water. We stopped at this other store, this little like barbecue store. We actually had to go find it, but for I think we're gonna do it for that lamb. Is Leo wants to use these. I think he's gonna smoke it. Maybe not for the lamb, but something. Anyways, he's gonna smoke it. He's gonna smoke some piece of meat. I don't know what just yet. But he picked these up. These are the Barkless pecan wood chunks. So we picked those up, and then he picked up this Butcher's Private seasoning. Okay, here's the deal with seasonings, guys. You always have to check for them to see if there's any carbs in them. I don't think this one has anything because it doesn't even have a calorie count on there. So I think this one's good. Some of them will, so you check them. But I don't think this one does because there's nothing on there. But yeah, so this is what it is. It's kind of an all-purpose blend. And then it tells you ingredients are sugar, salt. There's sugar in here, so there's probably molasses. Yeah, I'm willing to bet there is some carbs in here. I just don't know why they haven't put anything on here. But I don't know. So we'll see. Leo got this one. I'm going to look it up on the internet. If you guys ever use this one, let me know. But the Bears are playing this weekend, so I'm willing to bet he's going to do something for when the guys are over. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and be our haul right here. So everything, like I said, we got from Costco. Pretty keto friendly, some not so keto friendly, but about 140 bucks. So hopefully this gives you guys some ideas. If you guys are, you know, going to go to the store, maybe you can pick this up. I know the coupon book runs to the end of the month, so if you guys were interested in the things that I did get on coupon, maybe you can run over there and still get them for yourself. But alright guys, I will check with you on the next video.